The first important step in knife safety is securing your cutting board. And I can't stress this enough. I occasionally forget to do this, and then my cutting board is like slipping all over the place, and you're way more likely to cut yourself if your cutting board is like out of control. So there's two easy ways to do this. So first is you can get a little like rubber mat. You can buy them at Target, you can buy them at Walmart. They're like the rubber grippy mats that you can use to put in the bottom of a drawer. And you just cut a little square about this big and you put it underneath your mat, and it keeps it solid. If you don't have one of those, there's a really easy, quick solution, and it's this. This is just a little piece of paper towel, or actually it's a full-size piece of paper towel. The bigger the better, because if you have like a little thing in the middle, your board will actually twist like this. So if you have a bigger square like this or a bigger rectangle, this will work a lot better. What you do is you take this piece of paper towel, you run it under the tap, get it a little wet, you wring out most of the water. You don't want it completely dry, but you wring out most of it. And then what you do is you just put it underneath your cutting board like this. And then you put your cutting board on top. It's not going anywhere. It's great. This works for plastic cutting boards, it works for wooden cutting boards, it works for any cutting board. And with a stable work surface, you're way less likely to cut yourself.